पुर्तुगेज नागरिकत्व घेतिल्ल्या लोकांक मतदान करपाक वा वेंचणूक लडोवपाक मेळचें ना अशें राज्य वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यान स्पश्ट केलां. अशा तरेची खबर आयल्यार वेंचणूक आयोग ताचेर कारवाय करतले अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलां. एडिक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
Either to contest the election or to vote, you should be citizen of India. It is very crystal clear that any person holding Portuguese nationality is barred from voting or also from inclusion in the electoral roll, or once he is not included in electoral roll, he cannot be a voter and nor he can contest the elections. Whenever such instances are brought to our notice, we see that appropriate action is initiated against such person by the returning officers who were electoral registration officers during the time when electoral rolls are being prepared. So naturally, such persons will not be allowed to contest the elections. But even otherwise, if at all any authority passes any order, who are empowered to pass such orders by law, we will have to honor such orders and abide by that orders. So naturally, whatever orders passed by any statutory authority will be binding on us to implement it during the time when elections are declared. The matter regarding sitting panch member or anything related to panchayats or zilla panchayat or municipalities, that doesn't come within the purview of Chief Electoral Officer or Election Commission of India. But the same is dealt by another constitutional authority, which is called State Election Commission. And these powers vest with State Election Commission to take any action against them.